Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help explain how to fix a Tesla Model S side mirror. First, you'll need to assess the damage to understand if it's just the glass, the housing, or the internal motor. This initial step is crucial for determining whether you need to repair a small part or replace the entire assembly. Make sure you have essential tools ready, such as a plastic trim removal tool and a set of Torx bits, before you begin. Once you've assessed the damage, the next step is to carefully remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the mirror cap, often held by clips, using a non-marring plastic trim tool to avoid scratching your vehicle's paint. Then, disconnect the electrical connectors that power the mirror's heating and adjustment features. Finally, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Now, decide whether to repair or replace. If only the mirror glass is broken and the housing is fine, you can often replace just the glass. However, if the housing is cracked or the internal motor is faulty, a full mirror assembly replacement is usually necessary. When installing new components, always ensure all electrical connections are firmly reattached. This step is vital for the mirror's proper function once reassembled. With the new or repaired mirror ready, it's time for reassembly. Carefully mount the mirror assembly back onto the door frame, ensuring the mounting bolts are tightened securely. Reconnect all wiring harnesses, making sure they click into place. Before fully securing the mirror cap, perform a thorough test. Check that the power adjustments work smoothly in all directions and that the heating function activates correctly. This ensures everything is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.